they tell us that line 1 is shown on the grid. Okay, so we see line 1 on the grid. We need to graph a new line on the same grid so it passes through this point at negative 10, 8 and has a slope that's 3 times the slope of line 1. What's the first thing you can do? Our new line that I'm going to graph, okay, I'll graph it in blue, has to have a slope that's 3 times the slope of line 1. Well, what is the slope of line 1? That's the first thing we need to find, is the slope of line 1. So, how do you find the slope of a line? You want to find 2 points on the line. So, you suggested using the y-intercept and the x-intercept. This is located at negative 6, 0, and this is located at 0, negative 3. We need to calculate what is the rise and what is the run. What is the slope of this line? I'm going to count. The rise, I'm going down 1, 2, 3. So I'm going down 3. The rise is 3, and the run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the right 6, so positive 6. Negative 3 over 6. What is this in lowest terms? Yes, Saran.
1 over 2 negative.
Negative 1 over 2. Raise your hand if you got slope is equal to negative 1 over 2. Now, the new line that I have to plot has a slope that's 3 times negative 1 over 2. So what do we need to, how do I calculate the slope of my new line? Slope of line 2, yes? Good. Multiply negative 1 over 2 times 3. How do I multiply fractions? Write this as a fraction, 3 over, so what is the slope of the new line 2? Negative 3 over 2 is the slope of line 2. So what they've asked you to do is to graph line 2 on the same grid. If it passes through this point, what should I do? If I'm told a point that's on the line, what should we do with that information? Okay, so I know that it passes through the point negative 10, 8, so let's put that point on the graph. Negative 10, that's x, here. Okay, so this is a point on my line. If I know that the line has a rise of negative 3 and a run of positive 2, all we need to do now is count so we can figure out how to draw the line. So I'm going to go up or down 3. 1, 2, 3 down, and I'm going to go left or right 2. Right 2 because it's positive. Here's another point on the line. Can I connect the points? Can we keep going? Go down 3 and to the right 2. Plot the new point. Keep going. Go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the right 2, and so on. I can keep going. 1, 2, 3 over 2, 1, 2, 3 over 2, and so on. Your line should look something like that.